Hey guys, happy Monday. I'm hoping you can hear me okay. I wanted to start doing like a weekly vlog where I just kind of take you along with me and everything I get up to. And obviously this week is our first week in London, so I thought it would be a good time to start that. I haven't got loads planned, to be honest with you. I start back at work tomorrow, but I'll just be working from home. And then I think I've got like maybe an event tomorrow that I might go to, but I'm gonna see how I feel because I woke up this morning and I'm still exhausted from the move. Like, everything's kind of finding its place now, but I think we're still not into like a routine. It's only the third day and I need to like find homes for everything, like my products and stuff. I can't find like my hairbrush, my deodorant, like all the kind of essentials, and I want to try and reorganize the kitchen a bit today. So today I'm off, but I'm gonna try and just sort the last few bits and just get everything in nice places, because in the kitchen I put everything away but it doesn't necessarily look amazing. So I want to do that, and also the bathroom I've kind of neglected. I'm really happy with how the lounge is looking, so that's good. But yeah, this week is quite chill. I think at the weekend some of our friends are going to come over, which will be nice to see them and like have a catch up. But otherwise it's going to be quite quiet, which I'm not mad about because the past few weeks have been busy. But yeah, it's a lovely day and I'm feeling quite excited about like London life now and everything. I was feeling quite apprehensive about the move because last time, I think I probably mentioned, but last time I was in London I wasn't in like the best headspace, so I feel like I associated London with like not feeling my best and not having the best mental health, and I think that's why it was a big part and why it took me so long to move back, because obviously I work in London, but I was just happy to kind of commute and save a bit of money at home. But all of my friends are here, so it makes sense, and I'm in a better place, so I'm more positive about this time round. But the plan of action today is very much like sort this out, get it tidy. I need to figure out what to put here on the windowsill because it's such a nice like depth. I'm thinking I'll get my like sunglasses tray and put that there, and maybe I'll put in all of the perfumes so they have like a nice space. I don't know, I just want it to look nice and organised and not too cluttered. But yeah, this is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing this little Abercrombie shirt, which is a really nice summery blue, and then these trousers are from Rowie, the label. And that's the plan. I also need to put on the lampshade up there. Made great progress on this room. It's crazy, we've got these lovely mirrored wardrobes, but one of the doors is broken, so as in it's not even there, so this looks good, and then it's like chaos mirror. But I have organised all my stuff, put all this here. I've done all my perfumes here, although I know you're not supposed to put them on a windowsill like by the light, but for now it's gonna do. I also think it looks quite nice there. Then I put this little plant here which needs a bit of love, and some candles, and then this is kind of this corner. This is going to go up here eventually, but I am thinking it kind of needs something in this corner, like a bigger lamp or something, and obviously some art as well. But for now I'm very happy with kind of how everything's coming along and how it's looking. It's really quite warm. I am going to try and get some filming done, but yeah, I've also decided these clogs are going to be my indoor shoes. Maybe that's a bit extra, but I'm a bit scared to wear them out because my mum had a pair of clogs and she broke her ankle wearing them. So even though I like them, I don't want to go far in them because I'm scared of breaking my ankle. That is secondhand trauma right there. But they're cute. They're just from Jonac, Paris. Very cute little shoes. Look at us! Wimbledon towels. Oh my god, wait, what? Oh my god, it's cool. It's a bag. It's a Wimbledon bag, and that is really quite cool actually. That's really cool. And then I've also got a little Clarins SPF 50 for the sun, and some tissue paper, and for 2024, it's got the date on it. That's so cool. Wow, I feel very lucky. That is amazing. I've just put on an all white outfit just to show the bag off, but actually I'm obsessed, and it's made out of the recycled towels from last year. So where this year it says 2024, this one would say 2023 somewhere, and it's really cool. It's going to be such a nice little beach bag, but also just for walking around. I think it's perfect. I reckon you can fit a laptop in there, which is also quite cool, so I'm going to be using that lots. I can already tell. Good morning guys, it's another new day in London. I am working today, so I'm back at it, which I'm looking forward to. I feel a bit like, you know, when you go on a holiday and then you come back and then you're like, ooh, just ready to get back into a routine. So I'm looking forward to, ooh, that was my tummy rubbling. I'm looking forward to getting back into a bit of a work routine. And I'm slightly worried this is going to be a really boring vlog because I'm literally we're just at home. But towards the end of the week, I think we've got some more exciting things, like seeing friends. I will keep you posted. I'm going to edit some videos now. This is my outfit of the day. I've got these really cute trousers from Zara, which I've worn so much. They're still so long on me. I don't know if anyone else has this problem, but I have to have them taken up. But I take them up myself. I don't know why I'm saying I have them taken up. I took them both up, and then one of them came loose. So this is okay, this side. This is not okay. And then I've got this little cardi from Verge Girl, which is very cute. But it feels good to just be up and ready this morning. I've just been reorganising the shelf. I've put our alcohol here because I think it looks kind of good in the middle, and then I colour coordinated the books, which looks kind of fun. Not loads of things, but it's quite nice to keep it quite simple. I am just getting ready to head into town. This is my outfit. It's all Sur Paris, and then I've got a little black Brandy Melville tank and these Jonak loafers. I'm heading to a Charlotte Tilbury event because they've got a new, I think it's a foundation launch. I love using the Airbrush Flawless Filter foundation. That's like my favourite, so I'm excited to see what this launch is going to be. But yeah, this is like my first time going into town, like leaving the flat, so I'm feeling a bit nervous about the journey because I always hype up these things in my head, but I know it's going to be fine. And then I'm meeting my friend Amy afterwards, which will be really nice. But yeah, that's just the outfit. I need to choose a bag as well. I could not decide what to wear today, but I've gone for this. This is this Verge Girl cardigan, which is really cute because it's cropped, so I feel like it's quite good for this weather when you're not sure if you need a jacket. And then I've got my Zara white jeans on, bag again from the Horse, and I'm going to put on my black loafers. Or should I put sandals? Sandals might work a bit better, be a bit summery. Maybe let's try sandals. Okay, I've changed out the shoes. I put on these like fisherman-y shoes from Jonak, which are very cute. I've not worn them before, so I'm worried they're going to be uncomfortable, but we will see. And then just the same as before for a cute little vibe. I am back in the flat now. It's 2 o'clock, 2:30. I had such a nice morning. I felt like a real lady of leisure. I went for a little breakfast meetup to this really cute kitchen called N7 Kitchen. It's this lovely little bakery place, and had a little meeting there, which was so nice. And then I headed to the Merit X Stove pop-up because they've done a little collab on this really cute little satin makeup bag. But now I'm back to reality and I'm back logging on working. Working on some cool bits, which is nice, but it's quite nice to have a bit of a balance and to have gone out in the morning. So yeah, now I'm just working away. Archie has gone out to watch the football, so I'm in charge of dinner. I got this book for my birthday, so I'm going to try and make these pesto lentils with lemony leeks, although we don't have green lentils. I love this recipe book because it's so simple, like that's literally what you need. I might try and do something else for Arch because I feel like he'll probably want something else. Our new toaster, new old toaster we got on eBay has arrived. So that's exciting. I'm literally 20 minutes into cooking and I've remembered why I hate cooking. It's just gone wrong. I was cooking the lentils and I cooked them for too long and I overdid them and they went mushy, so I was like, okay, I'll substitute the lentils for pasta, and then I've just opened the new pasta bag and it's gone everywhere. I've just burnt the onions. So it's really not going well. If anyone has any tips for how to enjoy cooking, let me know, because I just don't think it's ever going to be me. And I know some people just love it, they get in the zone, they enjoy it. I wish that was me because I love the idea of it, but it's just not happening. It's a little bit summery today, so I've got these little cute shorts on, which are also from Verge Girl. They've got this nice little red stripe, and then the top is from Rowie, the label, which is another Australian brand. I've got no makeup on, so just ignore me. We're trying to figure out the shower situation because I had one of these Hello Clean shower heads, which we changed and put it on, and I've got one at home and I think it's so good for my hair, but Archie's not happy with the water pressure, so we're gonna figure that out. Hope you can see me. It's in this little bag. I don't know what I'm going to fit in there. Maybe just some AirPods.
I was going to say that.
AirPods would fit in there. A fancy AirPod case. And some coins. Some little coins. Oh, that is just so sweet. I also don't often have black bags, so that's quite nice. That's today's delivery.